Hello again, Brian Tripp here for Lezer Lumber, and I'm joined by Michael Schwartz from VELUX today. Michael, it's great to see you again.
Thank you, Ryan. Good to see you too.
So tell us a little bit about VELUX first.
Well, I'll tell you that VELUX is a focused company on daylight and fresh air through the roof. We are a leader when it comes to skylights. They're made in South Carolina, and it's a wonderful product to bring in that fresh air and daylight.
But it's not just a skylight per se, that classic skylight that can bring a lot of light into your home. The sun tunnel is something that we really want to focus on today.
That is really the goal today. We want to be precise and talk about one product, and it's called the Sun Tunnel. It's been around for almost 20 years. A lot of people aren't always familiar with it. And Brian, this gives us a chance to have a revelation.
All right, so I know in the past there was the dome that was very popular on top of the sun tunnel. What is the most popular? What are we using here today? Right,
well, the dome is really what has been familiar. What I'd like to introduce people to is the strength and the beauty of glass. It is the glass system that we came out with in order to meet a California code. It's a wildfire code that the dome wasn't quite able to meet up to with a burning of 2 to 3 hours. This is a product we've had for a long time, and like any good manufacturer, we simply took what we do very well and brought it into the Sun Tunnel product line.
That's really intelligent. All right, you said it's durable. Prove it.
Thank you for the invitation. So what it is a product that has a very high level of protection. You're seeing me standing there, although about 185 pounds standing on there, jumping up and down. We've had guys up into the 300s show the durability of this product. So this is the top. Really, the rest of the sun tunnel stays the same. That proven reflective tunnel material with a 99% reflectivity, whether you're going 2 feet or 20 feet, this will bring the light into an unexpected area.
You said it, 10, 20 feet. The sun tunnel is really good about bringing that light in from outside to a space that wouldn't be accessed by your classic skylight.
It is a solution. It's a daylight solution. When you can't get a window or a standard skylight in, the sun tunnel has no problem. It could even do 90 degrees down into that space. It's really a gift of daylight.
Tell us how a sun tunnel works, just really quick.
Okay. Well, a sun tunnel is 3 parts. You have the skylight on the roof. In this case, it's the durable glass skylight. You would have a reflective tunnel material pieced together, depending on how far you have to go. And then at the ceiling, you have a diffuser that takes the light and spreads it across the room. In some ways, this is one of the most energy efficient windows in the industry. It could be up to 4 panes of glass. So really something people that aren't familiar with will find a pleasant news in that regard.
And the final thing when we look at the product here is the solar nightlight inside, and with this you can even get a rebate from, correct?
That's right. This, Brian, is a solar nightlight. Very simple. It simply takes a small plastic piece, undoes it, the battery is then on, so there's no wiring, no more buttons than that, and it hangs in the tunnel. All day long, the sun is charging the batteries, and then there's a sensor that when the sun goes down, a small night light goes on. It's very similar to what you see on walkways and out on patios. Yeah. But this very inexpensive product allows for the homeowner to get a tax credit of 26% on the entire installed price. It's quite a bargain.
Michael, a lot of great stuff here today. Obviously the sun tunnel I think people are still learning about, and it's a great way to get, maybe in a room like this that we're in today, some of that natural light, the gift of light into a room. Thanks so much for your time.
Thank you.